All right, so you've just cooked an epic camp feed on your barbecue plate, and of course you've left a bit of a mess. Now, tonight I'm gonna go through just how to deal with the barbecue plate so you can put it back so when you get it out next time, it's just ready to cook off. Now, first thing you want to do is basically use a scraper. This is straight from the Adventure Kings Barbie Tool Kit, and just scrape all the big bits off. I'm actually pretty convinced that this isn't too bad. Now, if it was really dirty and you maybe cooked something on here that stained the plate, of course you could get a little bit of dishwashing liquid, a scourer, and maybe give it a real good clean. After you've done that, you want to put it back on the fire after you've rinsed it off to make sure all the water has absolutely dried off. It's not good enough just wiping it down with a tea towel. I find get it back on the heat and let all that water come off, because the last thing you want to do is let your barbecue plate rust. And as you can see, just a little bit of water and some paper towel, that's come up really nice. Now, once all that water's evaporated off the plate, you know you're not going to get any rust. So you take it off the heat, and this is the final piece of the puzzle. Get a little bit of olive oil, this one here is a bit of canola oil, and just put a really light, give it a little drizzle, then get another bit of paper towel and just wipe that oil right across the barbecue plate. Now, I sort of subscribe to the theory where it doesn't need to be perfectly clean, but it certainly does need to be oiled. So as soon as it cools down, you can put that straight back into the canvas carry case, and next time you come to a campsite, it's ready to cook on.